What's going on, everybody, and welcome back to the Half-Fast Garage. I appreciate you coming to hang out. This job that I'm doing right now, I've already gotten into, and I wasn't planning on filming it because it's a nightmare, but Mortski repair, it is cooler than washing dishes, so you're right. I'll show you guys what's going on. Alright, this is the nightmare catastrophe scenario that I've got going on. My torch, my porta power, and the deal is that this receiver hitch is stuck in there. It's just jammed in. When I got the rusty ram, it was in there then. It did have a pin in it, but I pulled the pin out and I've managed to get this 3/8 of an inch move forward here in the last 4 hours of beating on it with the 5-pound sledge, my little sledge, all my gas just about. I'm almost out of gas now. Air hammer, using some pipe or square tube from the inside, beating it out. Thankfully, this receiver is square on the back. It's flat. It's not like open, so I can kind of get some leverage on it. I've beat on it so much with the sledgehammer that you can see I've destroyed all the bolts, but I don't really care about those. All of this because I need to put this winch on it. So I got this winch with my car hauler trailer, and I need to get this winch on here because it's got a receiver on it, and I need it to be on here. Why do I need it to be on here? Well, I need to be on here because I have to do some plate under the frame of my car hauler trailer here. So the idea is, since I'm not a great welder to begin with, overhead welds are really difficult for me to do. I want to be able to flip this thing over like a turtle on its back, use the tractor, I'm doing some cleaning, use the tractor to basically pick up one side of it, and then use the winch to keep it from totally falling over. So the winch on the rusty ram would be on like this side. I'll pick it up, and then as it goes to its tipping point, then the winch will take over and I can lower it down relatively easy and assist with the tractor. Now that it's got the backhoe on, it'll be even easier. But I can't do that yet until I get this thing out. So I've been working at it since, I don't even know what time it is, but probably 4 hours. And that's why I wasn't filming it. But I'm going to put you up on a stand right now, and you can see who becomes victorious. Either this thing is going to win and I'm going to give up, something is going to break, I'm going to run out of gas, or it'll come out. So that's the deal. If you hate the video and it's boring and you can't stand it, tell Mortski Repair. So let's get to this thing. If you guys can think of a better way to flip that over, let me know in the comments, because the more I think about it, the sketchier it seems in my head, but I don't have any other way to do it. Overhead welding for me, probably, I've already tried it. It's not going to be a good deal. So yeah, anyway, we're just going to figure it out. You can kind of see where I plated it already a little bit. There you go. A little bit of my garbage plate work. But you can see how it's kind of open. I don't know, maybe you can't, like that seam at the bottom. There's some spots like up there that are, there's my air compressor, that are open. victory is ours. Thanks a lot. You guys helped me out. So if it wouldn't have been for you guys watching, it probably wouldn't have came out. Thank God. Man, what a pain. So there we go. I think I saw it give. Oh, watch it be stuck still. Ouch. Oh no, it's still gonna be stuck. Damn. Oh, there's my other phone. It figures I quit too soon. Back in the stand for you. Alright. Damn, it moved a lot. I thought it was gonna go. There we go. Success. Oh my God. Man, that thing sucked. You can see how long it's been in there. Check that out. It's like all crustified, decrepit. You see where I've been beating on it? Yeah. Let me get you sunward facing view. Damn thing. Now you can see I've been wailing on it forever. That's like 2 years straight of beating on it. And from the back, all that, holy crap, thing was in there forever. But we win. Everybody thanks a lot, because I've been out here forever. It didn't come out for me. As soon as I turn on the camera, it comes out for you guys. So thanks. So let's recap. 4+ hours out here with air hammered. Piece of crap. Doesn't do anything. Loads of heat. So like tons and tons of heat. We're not looking too healthy on the bottles. They're kind of rough. Like 400 on that one now, and I mean, we're low. So the porta power, that was essential. I would have never gotten it out without the porta power keeping pressure on it like it did. Big old hammers and lots of time. Some railroad spikes I found down the road for free. Lots of PB Blaster. Used 2 cans. So heat it up, cool it, heat it up, cool it. Try to get it to shrink and expand and crack loose all of the crud. So that was the deal on that. Yeah. And now I can continue on my harebrained, dangerous scheme to flip that trailer over and work on it. So, yeah. And there we have it. So I got the winch on. Battery is over here. All charged up, ready to go. That thing's good. I sprayed the Hitch here with rust converter that I bought for the XJ. I don't know if it made it into the video or not, but it kind of turns it like a darker color. But yeah, so hit it with a flap disc, got it good, sanded all that out with a file, and it's just, you know, who cares about that stuff. And yeah, got it on there. I got to fix the tailgate latch. It's just a little rusty and stuck, so I can close that, and then the battery will just go into the back there, because I'm certainly not going to spend all the money for line to go all the way to the front of this truck. Maybe for that brand new pickup, but for right now, that's going to work good. The truck weighs enough that it will hold that trailer and not slide around out here. So yeah, not too bad. So thanks a lot for helping me out with this hitch. If you liked the video, thanks a lot, and hit the thumbs up and subscribe. If you hated the video, blame Morsky Repair, because he's the one that made me turn on the camera. Alright, thanks everybody. Thanks a lot for watching. I'll catch you next time. Bye.